Awesome. As you are here to understand how to grow an Instagram account with 0 followers, you might have created an Instagram account recently, or you already built an account few months ago but struggling to get visibility, reach and followers, or if you have already created an account few months ago but stopped posting and now you're wondering, should I create a new account or should I continue with the existing one? Then in all those cases, if you're trying to understand how to boost the visibility of my account, get more reach, engagement, and how to build authenticity with few hundred followers and still make good sales, then this video is for you. Well, hello, I am Prachi Gautam. I'm 6 years experienced social media marketing expert, coach, and a freelancer. I've been working with over 100 brands, and with all the proven and tested strategies, today I'm here to help you understand how you can grow your brand new Instagram account with the following steps that I'm going to share with you today. But before I even begin, I would like to do a little bit pep talk. Are you ready for it? Something that is really important for you to understand. So, many people posting on social media thinking that they will blow in next 2 months, they will get thousands of followers or will get millions of views within 60-90 days. Then here is the reality check. Many people come to me and say that, Prachi, it's very easy for you to market yourself or talk about your services, get clients, and also spread your message because you have larger community. But here's the truth. I didn't have it from the beginning. I don't know if I should be sharing this or not, but let me share with you one interesting point of my journey. When I started freelancing, or even if you scroll back my Instagram reels or posts, I started posting from back in 2020. And you know what? Entirely for 2 years, constantly posting every single day on Instagram, I had only 3,000 followers. Yes, that's it. So this social media game is not a race of number of followers. This social media game is a race of consistency, building relationship with the coming people in your community, helping, assisting, and definitely selling your product or service as a solutions to them. And one interesting point here is number of followers is not equals to number of sales. Yes, many businesses out there think that, oh, this brand is having cool 1 lakh followers, this brand is having 2 lakh followers, millions of followers, they must be having heavy accounts. No, it's not the case. Number of followers is definitely not equals to number of clients. I will prove it to you, because when you have a community, it does not matter how many number of members you are having in them. What matters is how many of them are right audience for you, who are engaging with you, and most importantly, who trust you. So more than a reach or more than a followers, what matters is engagement. And that's what I did. And I would like to be very honest with you. In those 24 months when I had just up to 3,000 followers, I never stopped posting. Why? Because I used to imagine that these 3,000 people are sitting with me in a room and they are seeing me, they are relying on me, they are listening to my suggestion, they are listening to my advices, and they have some hopes on me. So it does not matter if you have 100 followers or 5,000 followers or 5 million followers. Your efforts that you make for first 300 followers should be the same for what you're going to do for your millions of followers, because again, it is about the strong community. So never lose hope, and your target should not be the numbers, your target should be your consistency. If your content and information is adding some sort of value in your followers' life, then your job is done. And here's the most biggest experience and lesson I'm sharing it with you here, that you can never plan a viral reel. You have no idea which reel, which content will blow up, and that will skyrocket your reach and views. So your main intention should be having a well understanding about what you offer, what solutions you have, who are your target audience, what are their challenges, how can you help them with your experience, audience, your product or your services, and how you cater them, entertain them, and then you are going to have that bond with these few people who are going to help you forward your content and do marketing for you. So first you take care of your small family, because eventually when you're going to get into the party of more followers, these people are going to vouch for you. Anyway, coming back, I know today you want to understand how to grow a new Instagram account with the right mindset, with the right strategy. We can definitely fast track your growth, and here are certain tips. Now we are going to talk about these three things. First of all, how Instagram algorithm works for a new account. Second, how many times you should be posting in a week. And third, 5 hacks that will blow your Instagram reach, views and followers. So get ready for it, because today's strategies and tips are definitely going to make you see the changes within a week if you follow rightly. Okay, let's begin. First, before you create your profile or before you start using Instagram, it's very important for us to understand how it works. Let me tell you why. So whenever we were kids, we used to play any specific game, we used to see the rules of it. So there was this manual which gives us the instruction to help us play seamlessly in the right steps. This means if you know the rules to play a game, you can play the game really well, right? Just like that, when you are using Instagram, it's important for you to understand how algorithm functions. Now, algorithm is a very hyped word. I would like to just make it easier for you. Algorithm is nothing, just set of signals which is designed to understand a user's behavior, what type of content they like, and push them the information which is very much related to their area of interest. Let's say if you have a brand new Instagram account and you start seeing pages or reels or posts of dogs or cat, then in explore page, Instagram will start pushing you content related to that. Or if you like the celebrity fam, then obviously you will start getting content related to it. This means Instagram algorithm is constantly learning how to understand a person's interest, behavior, and show them the content likewise. Okay, this is what the Instagram algorithm is. Now, this is for a user, but as a creator on Instagram, what we have to understand from this algorithm is now you have to do your best job to create content which is very easy for algorithm to understand which niche you belongs to, which type of subjects you are talking about. So when algorithm understand what your content is about, it will start showing your content to the right people, because number of followers doesn't matter. What matters is right people, right audience, targeted people who see your content, because these are your ready to buy customers. Cool. Then let's move in to how many times you should be posting if you have a 0 follower account. Cool. This is one thing that I would like to share here. Many times, many people have a common question that when no one is watching me, why the heck should I post content? Why the heck should I make more reels, right? But let me tell you the reason why you should be posting even more having a small account, because that's what I did. Okay, so what happened is when you post more content, when you post more reels, then algorithm get more opportunity to understand, because the amount of content is more. So it will get better chance to understand what type of topic you are creating, what type of profile you are having, and it will get more chances to find the target audience for you. So the more is the merrier for a small account. You should be posting at least 7 times a week, if not at least 5 times a week. And that is like a day or night. You should be making it no matter what, because all those 2 years when I had only couple of people seeing my content, I still continued. I still produced content, and one day one of my reel got millions of views, and after that my number of followers, the engagement, the reach got skyrocketed, got blown up. And that is what I'm trying to tell you, that to reach to that one viral reel or one viral post, you have to constantly start producing content, because when you constantly produce content, you are not just sharing or posting, you are learning these 4 things. You are learning about how to communicate, you're learning how to entertain your audience, you learn what your audience demands are, and you learn how to best communicate with them, without which you won't be able to create create that viral content. So it's very simple that you have to create more content even as a fresher, and focus on your engagement. This is a one secret tip that I'm sharing with you. Focus on your engagement. It does not matter that you got 400 views or 300 views. What matters is how many views are you getting, and as compared to that, how much engagement you are getting. Let's say 100 people are seeing your content, and out of them 30 people are engaging with your post, like they're liking, saving, sharing, DMing, commenting, whatever it is. Then Instagram will see that people are not only watching you but engaging with you. So when your engagement is good, your reach will be good. If Instagram shows your content to 1 lakh people, but if only less people engages with your content or post, then Instagram will stop its reach. So which means if you want more reach, that is more followers, you have to first of all fix your engagement. The engagement means you have to give the reason to your audience to engage with you on comments, DMs, likes, saves, or share your content. Use good call to action in your post. Now let me share with you 5 hacks to grow your new account faster. Ready? First thing is, please SEO optimize your Instagram profile. By this I mean that your Instagram username, your Instagram name, and your bio should be keyword rich. So keep your Instagram username as simple as that. It should be your name or your brand name. Coming to the Instagram name, here you should be writing a keyword that define your product, service, or business type. Because if let's say your name is Aditi and I have no idea about you, but I am on Instagram searching for copywriter or for graphic designer or video editor, and if these keywords are included in your Instagram name, I can find you. Likewise, if you have a very small brand with, let's say Zuki is your brand name, and it's a clothing brand, and I may not have idea about this, but when I'm searching for online clothing store or shop clothes online or new design clothes or western wear or women's wear, if these keywords are there in your Instagram name, then any random person without knowing your brand can also find you. So use it wisely. Your Instagram bio, this should be 3 lines and it should answer 3 things. The first line should be how you help your target audience. The second line should be the validation line, which could be a USP, a uniqueness of your brand, of your services, or it can be a validation statement like we have 5,000 happy customers or have 7 years of experience, worked with dash brands. It could be a validation statement. Or we have been featured somewhere, so people will believe in you that you're not new, you have done some great work, you have happy customers. And the third line should be the call to action line, like how can someone check your product, your services, or connect with you. So DM me for more inquiry, or check the link in bio to see the new collection or exclusive offers, anything like that. Okay, now here's my second Instagram hack to grow your account faster, which is share as much as of short form reel you can create, which is of 5 to 15 seconds only. Now I get it. Like, I'm not a big fan. I was not a big fan of short form content because I come from the age of IGTV, if you do remember, where we used to make a video of 1 hour or so, and I am like a YouTube person also, but I adapted it. And I know that sometimes you really have to follow all the angles of your social media account. You have to take care of the reach, you have to take care of the engagement, you have to take care of the personal branding, you have to take care of the sales and everything. So in that case, I would like to give you one simple advice, that please share the short form content initially. In this short form content, you can use behind the scene of yours or any stock video or photo or your product or any kind of services that you're offering, talk about it. But I would like to suggest that make it as short as you can, and your caption should be highly value driven. It means it should make someone feel like, oh, this is something great. And there's also a hack. When you write a longer caption or a very value driven caption, when someone is reading that particular caption, above your reel is automatically in loop playing, which give rise to your views. When you're making short form reels, make long form content. This will definitely give more views and engagement both. Okay, now moving to the third tip, which is very much related to reels, which is trending audio. We all are very much obsessed with what's trending, what is the trending music right now, and we try to use it, right? But I would like to bust a myth here. Every trending music out there is not for you. You should be only using those trending music which resonates with your business or which resonates with your vibe. If just for sake there's any regional song which is going viral and you are, let's say, a doctor, and it won't, match your vibe or neither your niche. So I won't prefer you to take any trending audio just for sake of going viral. Don't do that. First, check if it is matching your vibe. Second, this trending audio should not have more than 20,000 reels made on it. If already 20,000 people use that trending audio, it means we have lesser chance to go viral in it. So also check that. I'll share the screen recording here to let you understand it, okay? Alright, whenever you're trying to find any trending audio, first of all, it should be very much related to the type of content you're creating. That means it should match the vibe, okay? So you have to hunt until you find any audio where you will see a small arrow. If you look at this audio in the bottom left side, you'll definitely see an arrow icon. If you see that, means it is trending. And when you click on that audio, you have to check one more thing which is known as the competition. So whenever you click on any audio, you basically see how many reels are made on that audio. If it is over 10k, it means it is competitive. So if you should be finding any audio which is having less than 10k number of reels made on it or around 10k, not beyond 15k, then it becomes very competitive. That means a lot of people already made reel on that audio, use that audio. So now the chances of you to go viral on that audio will become little less. So be smart. Now moving ahead with the fourth hack, which is using the right keywords and also hashtags in your Instagram caption. I know there are a lot of people going to claim that hashtag does not work or this or that, but definitely over the period of time, the meaning of hashtag has been changed to keywords. So which means in our caption, we should be using keywords that define our profile, our product, our services, or anything which is specific to the topic that you have shared on that post. Let's say your today's post is on weight loss tips for moms, okay? And here in the caption, you can use keywords like weight loss tips, weight loss exercises, weight loss at home, or weight loss for 40-year-old, or weight loss for mothers. Also, sometimes hashtags like hashtag weight loss tips, hashtag weight loss for women, hashtag weight loss at home, any keyword that is going with that particular content. And do not use any trending hashtag like hashtag viral reel, hashtag Indian reels, hashtag follow. These hashtags you should never be using. This is a very big mistake because these hashtags will probably even help you go viral, but out of nowhere a lot of people will see your content who are maybe not even interested in it, right? And eventually if they follow you and in future content, if they won't resonate, they are obviously going to lose the interest and will unfollow you. So this kind of pattern, we do not want to reach to larger audience, which is not the ideal one. We just want to focus a very niche audience. Even we are narrowing it down to 1,000 people, but we have to make sure that these are the really ideal audience to you. Get it? Cool. Now here's the last tip and last hack to grow a new account faster, and it is encourage your audience to comment and engage with your post. Whenever you're sharing a reel, whenever you're sharing any carousel post or a static post, you have to ask people, ask any question or ask them to do something after they watch it. Otherwise they will just scroll by. We know that engagement is crucial for us to maintain our reach of our account, because Instagram sees that okay, you are capable of handling n number of people engage with your content, probably you are ready to get more people. So means if your engagement is good, then only you will get more reach. So the bottom line here is in your reels or posts, you should be constantly asking people that comment below a specific word, right? Like if you agree, share it with someone, follow for more. These are the common ones, but the smartest way is you ask people to comment a specific keyword. You must have seen this pattern somewhere, right? Whenever you watch reel, they say that okay, comment a word dash, anything like that, and you will get something for free, right? You must have observed it, and this really works. For this you have to create any kind of freebie. Let's take an example. You're a fitness trainer, okay, or you are a freelance marketer, and you created a freebie on weight loss tips or workout workout exercises for moms, or as a freelancer you created a content calendar for small businesses, anything that you did, and now what you're doing, this PDF you're going to share to anyone who is going to comment that specific word. This gives a reason to the viewer, because I'm going to get something, I have to comment the word. And this encouragement of making people do more comment in your reel is going to definitely boost your relationship, boost your engagement rate, which will eventually help you to get more reach. Smart, right? So yeah, that is it for in today's video. If you basically want to learn, like, what type of content I have to produce, because it's crucial you create content that help you not only build authenticity but also get sales and leads, even if you're having few hundred followers. So to steal my content calendar, here's a video, you can just watch it out. And if you are a freelancer, a small business owner, or a service provider who is aspiring to learn all the secret strategies to help you grow more followers and convert them into clients, then I have designed a social media mastery course where I cover everything from profile optimization to content calendar to hashtag strategy to SEO to story calendar to meta ads to analytics, performance, from LinkedIn marketing to freelancing strategies. Every specific thing is right there in social media mastery course. So if you really want to learn it, all you have to do is check out my link in description box. And for any question, you can contact me on Instagram, or you can also drop your burning question in the comment section. By the way, if you really like this video, do not forget to share it with someone and subscribe this channel. Support your social media bestie, because I am here to help you grow. If you just hit a like, comment or subscribe, it would be a best return on gift for me. So anyway, see you in my next video. And if there is any advice or suggestion you are having for me to create or come up with any specific topic, I am going to read the comment section for all of your ideas. So okay, see you in my next video. Till then, all you have to do is just start posting on social media. Rest, I'll be taking care of everything. See you in my next video. Take care of yourself.